This is an XML program where we are trying to connect with the CSS. So the first line will be XML version 1.0 and XML hyphen style sheet, and what is the MIME type that you are going to specify it here, that is text/CSS as you are connecting to the CSS file, and href hyperlink reference as we are going to save both the XML and CSS in the same folder, only the file name has been specified here. Through the CSS, that is cascading style sheet, we are trying to give some style for the text. In the XML, you can have user-defined tags, and this is a program where it is going to have the database or the information regarding a student of a particular university. So I can specify university itself as my root tag. Inside that, I have a particular student information, so sub tag, and regarding the student, name, SRN, department, phone, mail. All these are the user defined tags. So I can specify the tags in such a way that easily I can remember those tags names. So this is one student information. In the similar way, I will be creating two more records. So the root tag, whichever the tag I have opened last, that has to be closed first. So all these are individual tags I have closed here. And the next level is student. That student record information has been finished here, I have closed. Once again the student has been opened and closed it here. And the root tag will be the last one which will be going to close at the end, that is university tag. Now to be the same information, I can change some data. So this much is your XML file. Now we are going to connect this with the CSS. The CSS file is this one where we are going to give some properties. Through that properties, it is going to get some style. Now you have to remember these tags whatever you have specified here. The name and the SRN. For those name and SRN, I had given a color. Here you have to use colon. Generally in the tags, the normal in HTML files, we will be using equal to. But here you are supposed to use colon. And the property value, one more property which style you want, and property value. So now we will see the output. So as I am having 3 students information and I had given only color to the name and the SRN, those two are in blue color. Remaining whatever the style it has to be, that is black color and the normal font. All the 3 records appeared in a single line. In the similar way, let us give style for the different tags also, that is department, phone and mail. Here if you observe, I have been added the display block. What is this? You can observe now. Before refreshing the page, you can see it all coming in a single line. Now, after adding the display block, you can observe that the name and the SRN are in the single line. But as display block has been specified for the department, phone and mail ID, those came into the new line. And the second student information, the name and the SRN is a single line as I have not specified the display block there. So if I want to add some other tags, what can be done? I want to put everything into the center. Is it possible for me? The root tag is university. Margin I am trying to give 200 pt. And not only that, I want the name and the SRN to be in the bold. So bold. And even the size of that I want to highlight, so some 20 pt. Not only that, even the background color I want to change, color colon red. So you can see it, some 200 points I took it from the margin left and given the back. To get like this, I have used the background color in all the places, yellow, and font size 10 pt. Like this, in your own way you can beautify your page. I had given the same background color for all these three tags, and some margin right also I had given, and margin bottom for the mail tag also has been specified. Margin bottom and margin right, font size has been increased. So in this way, however you want, you can utilize all the tags and the properties whatever you have, and you can beautify your page.